Minisita wa gavumenti z'ebyanga Honorable Barbara Garatenyi yaragira abeebyokwerinda okukwata kandi bakasiba John Baptist Bwebazi District Engineer aba District ya Mitoma ogu nagambwa kuba yashomagwire sente z'emirimo etari emwe n'emwe. Sente ezi zikaba zigendereire okukora enguuto, okwombeka entindo, amarwariro hamwe n'okukozesa kubi sente zabaire zigendereire kukora ishomero rya Rutaka Primary School.
Where's your engineer? But has he been around? Now the BBC. Let's try as fast as possible to find the engineer of Mitoma, one called John Baptist.
Minisita okugamba ebyona yaba ari aha kitebe kikuru kya District ya Mitoma aho yaba nabugana abebembezi ba gavumenti ba District egi obwagendereire kurebuza entwaza hamwe n'ekukora emirimo ya gavumenti.
Twine esente z'enkuuto ezibatuhiire z'omwaka ogwahwire tizarakozire, akabaho na inquiry yazowa IGG.
Oburi bweguzi omu District ya Mitoma bukwasira hansi n'ahaiguru na munonga aha barikuronda emirimo. Dr. Oraya Patrick or Dr. Arbitoma Health Center ya Kana niwe yashabire miliyoni 19 okuruga hari Julius Kato enzarwa ya Ruberezi okuhebwa omurimo gwa clinic officer konka n'omurimo taragutungire. Minisita hoona yahurira ngu amashomero ga gavumenti nago garengeserize okushashuza abaziire sente.
Nyakizinga High School charge 200,000 each student as you never registration fee by the teacher Kenneth. They are registered as UCE candidates at Kamera Aided Government School. You know Kamera? You know Kamera? You know there are students from private schools who are registered at the government center as UCE to benefit from government.
Honorable Barbara Garatenyi yaragira Miss Maseruka Asman urukura emirimo mu District ya Mitoma ukwemerezaho naho Sam Karakuze ore mukuru w'akakiiko karugabe emirimo muri Mitoma Peace Glory yabatungire ore mukuru w'ebyobwegese hamwe na Dr. Sadiq Byamugisha ore mukuru w'ebyamagara mu District ya Mitoma yaragira ngo mukuru w'entebe ya katano okuronda mukuru w'akakiiko akarugabe emirimo musya hamwe no kuronda akakiiko akasya akarugabe emirimo.
Chairman of our district is responsible to appoint the chairman of the service commission. Since the other chairman is already now under investigation and he has other cases in court, chairman nominates a new chairperson and he announced a new commission, give it to council, chairman, give it to the commission, councillors, next chairman, nominate a new service commission.
Honorable Asa Kazora uri omunyeshengero w'abantu ba Ruhenda South we yashaba kwabaho uburenganisa kandi polisi erekeraho kurekura abantu abarikuba bakozire emishango aho naho
konka ekirungi RPC and members suspect wenyine nayegambira ngu recording ezinamwe recordingire akagera ati nkakera naza ukureba omuntu kweri yafire nargayo nagambira simisi nto omuntu terira nikiro which means simisa karo
abataka omusajja bagambiro kyakole musangano kandi bakora musangano narugayo kuba ina sente nyingi alingenda kusaba baitola n'otayibwa ngenda kusaba hona Rukazora hona n'otayibwa hona Rukayida bakole petition ya president.
We Alex Karitundu Okanga chairman w'entebe ya katano ba District ya Mitoma nashobora ngu okuhinda gutura abakozi ha district nacyo cyongire ubushomanguzi omuri Mitoma ubwo yayongera ashaba minister kubongera abakozi na munonga bashaho.
Mitoma district iyi chairman wa kabiri kugihangwa kwasya abakawe 12 habo district kubasa kiterera every year itaka
District ya Mtoma irimo amashaza 3 agaramo Ruhinda County, Ruhinda North hamwe na Ruhinda South. Abatura bayeterere nduru ahabo kubashaba sente za ambulance kandi hanshongeje Minister Barambaruga haratenyi yaragiro kwatwa kwa Godfrey Mugumya obiri navuga ambulance age.
So kuchija ambulance ya government ya kuyamba abantu ba government obopata ni mafuta utekele kitaka 10 obajja makubiyane akasala bitwara makubiyana
amakuru agahagasha kwa Samuel Akanjishwa Omar Mitoma.